Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming. I think it's this one, I didn't check the name. Perkins on the other side. Wow, I took very large. Where it? Yeah, this is the one. Okay, man. I think they're waiting to be unloaded. I don't know. Good sea north. I think they're waiting on here as well, I'm not sure. If it's like that, I will just back up and go up again. So I think I will just loading area. So I think I need to collect them things. I'll just park on here and have a chat with them to see what they're saying. Okay. I just go to have a chat with him to see what he's saying. Right, mate. I've got a collection from here. Should I have to wait for these lorries as well?
No, just wait for them.
It says collect 32 plus second bottles.
Okay. Just leave it here. The bottles are behind that door there.
Yeah. So you want me to open the curtain up and prepare it, or?
Just move a bit more into the middle.
Yeah.
And open one curtain.
One on one side. Yeah, no problem. Thank you, mate. Wow, so in that trailer can go three on top, one on top of each other, three of them. Okay. Wow. Hi, okay. Yeah, 1 second, I'll show you the paper.
32 bottles, yeah, I know.
32
second bottles,
plus
yeah.
second bottles.
Yeah,
No
so
problem.
we will load up from that side.
Yeah.
So from this door.
From that door, so I need to pull it forward. Yeah, no problem.
Go forward.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, first the driver needs to go here.
Yeah.
To wait for the forklift truck and then...
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, sure. I love this job. Even if it looks like this, what you see here, I love it. Okay. So this is what I've said all the time. Drive, open the curtains, that's it. That's the proper driving job. I don't care if it looks like this, like that, like that. If the lorry is okay and I drive okay and
Hello?
Hello mate, is that Gary?
Yes, it is.
Hello Gary, it's Robert, the agency driver.
Hi, mate.
Just to let you know, I just got in now to this to this company.
Yeah.
I just had to wait loads of time for that first job.
Okay. No problem at all.
They've been busy, so all that metal things are scrapped.
Yeah, okay, excellent. All right.
Yeah, no problem. See you when I
All
get
right,
back.
we'll see you soon. All right,
No
mate.
problem.
See you in a bit.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so the manager is happy, I'm happy. Good job. Right guys, so this is the yard. Looks fantastic, full of pallets with everything. And now it's getting loaded. Do you want me to jump up to hold it? Wow. Let's try. Hop. Can you? No, it's over it. Or actually, because this thing on the top I think is a rubber, so actually I think it goes. If you can, you see the top margin, I think it's. You sure? Nah, little bit down, just little bit. No, it's over it. Well, as long as you can put two, and then I take one and put on top here. So if you can put two inside, and I'll try to put here the top one. Maybe it will work like this. Maybe. No, there's still no space. Yep. No, it's gonna damage. At least we tried. Yeah. Take the top one. Yeah, try now. So the forklift has got a wiper as well. See? Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Alright, man. Yeah. I'll just move the curtain on the other side. Yeah, I just need to go up, but I don't know how, because it's wet there. Yeah. I can go on the fork, but...
No, let me move.
Yeah, if you can put the top one, then I'll be able to jump and do the other. Yeah. No, after you do this, you could have put on the fork. It's okay, no problem. Yeah, so I guess it will be like 32 maximum.
Yeah.
Maximum.
You're getting up off the
Yeah,
floor.
yeah. No problem.
Yeah, like that, alright.
Yep. It's fine. Thank you. At least the vehicle is not so big. I could have taken 3 on them, but it's just the gap like this. Yeah. Yeah. Right now. No. Yeah. Falling down. Okay. And then 2 more here and that's it. 2 more here and that's it. Last 2.
Yep.
Loads of them. Do I need to sign any paper or?
Yeah.
No problem. I'll just hold them for you, yeah? Try now. Yeah. Okay, so now trying to get out of here. We just done the job. I just need to get out of here and stick it somewhere to take the brake. Yep. So we're just gonna load this class 1 from the same position. Just gonna reverse here. Just gonna go out of this nice company. This company is a proper company, mate. It's excellent.